In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI Note Taker in ClickUp. To begin, open ClickUp and go to your inbox. The inbox is a helpful place to start because it is where ClickUp gathers updates, reminders, and items that need your attention. From here, you can quickly jump into ClickUp AI tools without needing to dig through spaces or lists. Once you are in the inbox, click the highlighted area on the screen. This highlighted section is your entry point to the AI experience inside ClickUp. Think of it as the place where you can access smart features that help you work faster, especially when you want quick notes or summaries. Next, open the AI area by clicking All Agents. Agents are the AI tools that ClickUp provides for different types of work. Some agents focus on writing, others help with planning, and some are designed for summarizing. Going to All Agents helps you see the full set of options available, so you can pick the best tool for what you need. After that, click My Agents. This view focuses on the agents connected to your workspace experience, making it easier to find what you use most often. If you plan to use AI note-taking regularly, this is a great area to return to because it keeps your tools organized. Now click Ask or Create. This is where you can either give the AI a request or set up what you want it to help you with. When you use it for note-taking, it is especially useful for turning longer content into something easier to review and share. From there, click the highlighted area again to return to the main AI panel where you can choose a specific action. This helps you move from browsing agents into actually running a tool on your content. Finally, click Summarize Doc. This is the key feature for AI note-taking in ClickUp. It creates a clear summary from a document, helping you capture the main ideas quickly. For best results, make sure the document you want summarized is well organized and up to date, since the AI will work from what is written there. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.